So this is what the inside of the kit looks like. You have your little box on the right and then the other little DNA test on the left. So I'm gonna just take out my DNA test. So then when you open it up, you get this little thing that looks like this. This is your solution and then your test tube with the little funnel and then your activation code on it. And that is the activation code that it tells you to write down in the little pamphlet. So I already wrote mine down so I won't forget. And now it's on video so I really won't forget. Well, it's been about 40 minutes and I went back and waited to not eat or drink anything even though I really wanted to. And so now I'm back and I have the appropriate whatever for this thing. So I have this tube and it says fill to the black wavy line. I'm gonna spit off camera because that's a little gross. Okay, update. This is so tedious. I can't even describe. I don't know if I just don't have a lot of saliva or what the heck is happening. But this, it says literally on the thing, it's so easy. No, I've been doing this for probably 6 minutes, which is a ridiculous amount of time to get a 1/4 of a teaspoon of saliva. Ugh, so it is not as easy as it says. So prepare for lots of saliva. This is such a, what the heck? Topiary, stop. Okay, I think I finally have enough. Oh my gosh. Not only was this tedious, but I cannot even explain the number of times that I spit on myself. Okay, so it says to replace the funnel. Ooh, ew. With the cap. This is not as easy as it looks like it would be. It's literally just a cap. What am I doing wrong here? Ooh, assistance. So you have to leave the little thing in the cap because it might be a little bit crooked in there. Mine was, so we had to take it out and put it back in to get it to work. And then the solution just dumped in here. And then it looks a little bit like that. And then it says to shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. So I'm going to shake it. And then when it's mixed, it just looks like that, like a little light minty blue color. You get this bag with it, so then you just put this in the bag, like so. And it has instructions. It says, insert cap tube into bag, seal the collection bag. And then I sealed it. And then put the bag in the return mailer. And you just have a little back box like this. And you just stick it in there. Like that. Close the flapping. And then you just send this away and then they'll send you your results. And I don't know how confident I feel about that adhesive, so I'm probably gonna tape over the edges just so I am like totally sure that it won't come out, because I'd much rather than have to bust into the box than have it come out in some random part of the country. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos every Friday. All of my social media is linked on my channel page, so come follow me because I love friends. I will have another follow-up video to this in a couple of weeks when I get the results back. So hopefully it'll be closer to the 6-week mark and not the 8-week mark, because I'm so excited about this. And I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys next week. It'll probably be more like my usual videos. So if you're into that, come back. See you next time. Bye!